Alright, so here we are. Got this 1978 Chevy C50 dump truck, and just need some things done, some light bulbs replaced. I'm going to replace the fuel filter. I'm going to go through, grease everything, check all the fluids. So this video is going to be pretty much about just dump truck maintenance. Alright. First thing I want to do, I actually want to replace this whole thing. I got a new one here. This one had some little cracks and stuff in the glass, and I just it's garbage. I want to put a new one on. Yeah, you can see all the junk that it caught in there. So, definitely works. Alright, so that new fuel filter's on now. Alright, so the next thing I want to do, I actually want to get rid of this. And I want to replace it with this oil breather cap and then run it with the line up into here, right into the air filter. So it goes right from the valve cover into the air filter. So this, we're gonna have to cut this out and drill that out. That way we can fit this on here, and it'll go on there like that. And then this hose connects down to there.
Perfect.
Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do an oil change. And this one actually takes Napa 71794 oil filter. So, alright. Alright, so the last thing you want to do is just check, make sure there's no leaks. No leaks. All right, time to get greasing everything now. All right, time for the other side. All right, so the whole thing's all greased up now. All right, so the next thing we want to check is the hydraulic fluid level. So we'll go ahead and check that now. And it's hard to see, but yeah, it needs to be topped off.
Perfect.
All right. There we are. All right, so that's topped off now. Okay, the other thing was I had a light out back here, and I got the new bulbs here. Took out the old one. They're 1156 is the number for these bulbs. There we go. All right, so the brake lights are on. And now they should be off. All right, so that's fixed. Got the new bulbs in, and both brakes and lights work. So that's fixed. All right, for some reason my GoPro shut off on me when I was installing this back in. All right, so as you can see, I got the line hooked up, and it goes into the oil breather cap, right into the valve cover. So that's all set up now. And this actually, I just replaced the whole top end on this. This used to be a 2-barrel Rochester carburetor on here, and now I got a 4-barrel Edelbrock, and actually replaced the whole air intake, valve covers, put in a fuel gauge so you can see the pressure going in. I guess with the 4-barrel Edelbrocks, they like to be around 6 psi. And then here's the actual fuel regulator to go ahead and get that set to where you need it. But yeah, this is a V8 350, and that does what I need it to do. So all right, so that should be it. So I hope you like. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you later on the next one. Bye.